So guys, studies have clearly shown that the people who suffer from the pain in inner and outer thigh, it's majorly because of the health issues in hip bone and joints. So basically, the issues in health joint and hip bone occurs due to various reasons. इसका रीजन ये हो सकता है that you have lack of strength in your hip bones and joints and the muscles around your hips. Also can be due to the lack of strength in lower back. या इसका ये भी रीजन हो सकता है कि आपकी फैट परसेंटेज बहुत ज़्यादा है, especially around your hip and thighs. Also because of muscle stiffness. Also maybe because of any kind of pain or strains around your hip muscles. Alright, so now we have a series of treatment जो आप कर सकते हैं if you have a pain in your inner thigh, outer thigh or the muscles around your hips. So let's take this one by one. So आज हम deal करते हैं inner thigh muscle, that is growing pain, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं which actually happens because of weak adductors. So ये क्वेश्चन था बहुत सारे लोगों का मुझसे and especially from my cabin crew community. So welcome back to my channel. You know what's the name of my channel? Fit is the new you and let's get started. So this is gonna be a warm-up set of the mobility drill. So lie down on a pillow, roll out your knees like how you do your butterfly stretch and feel the stretch on your groins, basically the adductor muscles. And if this is easy, then put your hands on your thigh and gently stretch it more towards the ground. And hold this stretch for at least 30 seconds. Do it for 3 times. Alright, so second stretch is also kind of a warm-up set where you roll down your one leg and keep the other leg at the same place. So when you roll down your one leg, you'll feel a stretch in your groins while going down. Hold it for 10 seconds and then bring it up. And you feel that your groins are strengthening when you lift your leg up. So do this process for at least 15 to 20 times. So the third one, you basically need to activate your adductors and strengthen those inner thigh muscles. So how you need to do this? Just put a ball in between your legs, or you can take basically a stiff pillow which you can basically squeeze in, so it has to be that hard, and you squeeze it for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Leave it. Do it for at least 10 to 12 times in a day. So this one is little advanced one. So when you are done with your warm-up sets, then try and practice this. Maybe after a couple of weeks, you can start doing this. So basically you keep your leg straight and put your toes up so that it's locked, and then lift your leg up. Putting the other leg behind or forward doesn't matter, but just lift the leg up. Do not try and go too high. If it's not going, let it be. Just go as high as you can comfortably. Do not put too much of pressure on it. Just feel that your adductors are getting stretched. That's it. This again is an advanced movement wherein you just take a piece of cloth and try and drag it so that your adductors or the inner thigh area or the groins get a little bit stretched, and come back, stretch and come back. Just do it gently, but when you are absolutely comfortable with it. So basically this is gonna be a very advanced stage of workout for your groins, for your inner thighs. So after doing few rounds of squats where your toes are out, and after doing few rounds of weighted squats where your toes are out, you're going to perform this one, which is a plyometric kind of exercise where you put a lot of pressure in your inner thigh, and you can do it first slowly and then fastly.